authorities confirmed that a family of 4 was tested positive for COVID-19. These cases are classified by the Health Bureau as imported cases. Meanwhile, the SAR has declared a state of immediate prevention, and all individuals leaving the region need to present a negative COVID-19 test result issued within 24 hours.
According to a dispatch by the Chief Executive and the evaluation and suggestions of the Chief Executive and the Coordination and Response Center, we announced that starting from 3:30 p.m. of August 3, 2021, Macau has entered the state of immediate prevention.
The stage of immediate prevention is at the medium level of public emergency out of the 5 levels. This declaration comes after 4 Macau residents tested positive for COVID-19 today. The mother and the father, both vaccinated, were the first ones confirmed with the virus. The government said the Zhuhai Health Authority notified them of the locals' test results. Both had already entered Macau. The 2 were required to do subsequent tests, and the results were all positive. The couple claimed they had only previously traveled to Zhuhai and Zhongshan. However, their daughter went to Xi'an for a school tour with 29 other people between July 19th and 24th. Their daughter and son were later confirmed to already have the virus. The officials highly suspect that the daughter is the first one among them to get infected.
They took a flight CZ3761 from Zhuhai to Xi'an. There are 30 people in the team. On 25th, they returned to Zhuhai from Xi'an via flight CZ3762. The daughter, on July 22nd, when she was still in Xi'an, had symptoms of cough, loss of sense of taste and smell, but she did not get a diagnosis. She claimed that her symptoms got better after the 27th.
Her family members showed symptoms after July 28th. The family lives in Edificio Meilin near Kangwu Hospital, which is now being isolated. Residents in that building were given a red-colored health code. The 51-year-old male patient is a driver at the Health Bureau. He recently worked in the Kolowan Health Center and Sapaiwan Health Clinic, but he claimed that he was only in contact with other drivers before July 24th, while the 43-year-old female patient works at a fruit store at Edificio Wingfat near the Red Market. The mentioned clinics and fruit stand have been closed for temporary disinfection. For now, the government only revealed that the family went to Federal Restaurant on July 25th from around 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. and they have been to Agai Restaurant in Hua de Paga on July 27th from around 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m., while the son used Wang Yingquan Library in Louis de Camus Garden from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. on July 26th. Authorities have arranged for the close contacts and the second-degree close contacts to conduct nucleic acid tests and antibody tests. These include the colleagues of the patients, the people who went to Xi'an with the daughter, and other relevant people. After the results, the government will specify the red-colored health code areas and impose a lockdown and mandatory nucleic acid testing for the residents in those areas.
All the people will take nucleic acid tests. We will specify the red-colored health code zones depending on the results of the first round of testing. If the results are all negative, the lockdown time might be shorter. However, if other confirmed people who live or work in the same place were found in the first round of nucleic acid testing, the time must be extended.
Following the new cases, the government announced a new epidemic prevention measure. Individuals leaving the region need to present a negative net result issued within 24 hours. 5 nucleic acid testing stations will be operating around the clock, which are the Macau Forum, Macau Federation of Trade Unions Workers Stadium, Kangwu Hospital, Pagong Ferry Terminal, and the Macau University of Science and Technology. Following today's news, queues of people trying to leave Macau were seen at local borders, with videos posted on social media showing people running to the border checkpoints.